Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on Discord. So without getting further ado, let's jump into our video. Firstly, open up Discord app, go to U icon on bottom right corner and now tap on gear icon on top right corner. Next, tap on account and here you can see username. Simply tap on it. Now here delete your present username and type in your new username. Once you are done typing your new username, simply tap on save button located on top right corner. Now verify your password. Enter your password and tap on done button. So you can see that you have successfully changed your username. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.